signal light siya. So basahin mo yung mga road users. Sige lang, work it out. So city driving na si Ma'am Carla. Rush hour. Oh, give way, pedestrian. Okay, go ahead. Automatic transmission pa rin. Signal your intention to your left, please. And work it out. Look out sa mga road users. Continue. Deactivate your signal light. Proceed lang po tayo, ma'am. Stay sharp. Maintain the lane. Unless kailangan lumihis. Sige lang. Then going down tayo dun sa steep hill na yun, no? Oo. Hindi, may diskarte yan. Huwag ka magalala. Signal your intention to your left. Yan. Pero hindi ka magta-turn ka agad. Kukunin mo yung mababaw na area. Huwag yung malalim. Kuha. Okay, sige lang. Continue. Continue. Dahan-dahan lang. Brakes. Modulate your brakes. Sige lang. More. Forward. Further. Then to your left. Okay, now brake. Yan, ganyan lang. Brake. No. Brake. Punta ka dun sa mababaw na area dun. Yan, brake. Slow down, brake. Huwag mong pakawalan. And then signal your intention to your right. Look at your side mirror sa right. Then merge. Cautiously. Sige lang po. Work it out. Dahan-dahan. Yan. Punta mo dito. Dito. Magpapark tong RAV4 na yan. Okay. Then okay. Pan mo dyan sa beacon. Yan. Always make sure ha na may distance ka sa mga vehicle. Well, ito yung pinakamagandang part dyan. Traffic. Okay. Hindi maiwasan to, ma'am, sa driving ha. Sa mga gantong situation. Sige, work out. So, how was it, ma'am? Okay ba? Parang na-challenge ka.
Kinabahan.
Kinabahan. Okay, normal yan, no? But pretend na hindi ka kinakabahan.